Welcome to this standing eagle flow. In this short yoga practice, we will do some fun variations of Garudasana, the eagle pose. When you are ready to start, find a comfortable standing position with your feet hip distance apart. Straighten the arms out in front of you, cross your left arm over the right and bend the elbows to press your palms together or grab the wrist for eagle arms. If this is hard, another option is to also keep your hands on top of the shoulders. With your next inhale, lift your elbows up, lean slightly back into back bend. Exhale, round the upper back, draw the elbows towards the belly. Inhale, lift your elbows, lean slightly back. And exhale, round the spine, you can slightly bend the knees as well. One more time, inhale, lift your elbows as high as you can. And exhale, round the spine. With your next inhale, reach your arms out to the sides, lift your heart. Exhale, bring your palms together into your heart. Shift weight into your right foot and cross your left knee over the right. Try to wrap your left foot behind your right shin if you can. Squeeze the inner thighs together, sit as low as you can. Or for more stability, keep your left toes down. Stay here and breathe. And then slowly release. Step your left foot back into lunge. Keep your left heel high. Front knee bent above the ankle. Take a big inhale, reach your arms up, lift the heart. And exhale, lean forward, arms reach back. Flowing with the breath. Inhale, lift your arms. Exhale, lean forward. One more. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, lean forward, reach your arms back. Lift your torso and bring your palms together. And step your left foot forward next to your right. You can shake your legs out before we do the other side. And then you know what's coming. Cross your right arm over the left for eagle arms to start. Or keep the hands on top of your shoulders. Big inhale, lift your elbows, lean slightly back. Exhale, around the back, draw elbows to your belly. Inhale, lift your arms, lift your gaze. Exhale, around the spine. One more like this, big inhale. Slow exhale. Inhale, arms reach out to the sides, lift your heart. Exhale, palms together to your heart. Bring weight into your left foot now and cross your right knee over the left. Find your variation here, either keeping your right toes down or maybe crossing your right foot behind your left shin. Squeeze your inner thighs together, bend the knees as deep as you can, sit low and breathe. Well done. Now slowly uncross your legs and step your right foot back into high lunge. Left knee bent above the ankle, right heel is high. Find your stability first, and then we will flow here. On the inhale, sweep your arms up, lift your heart. Exhale, lean forward, arms reach back. 2 more. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, arms reach back. 1 more inhale. And exhale. Lift the upper body, bring your palms together to your heart, and step your right foot forward next to your right. Shake everything out, and then take your feet wide apart, parallel to each other. Roll your shoulders back, interlace fingers behind the back. Take 1 inhale to lift your heart, and with exhale bend forward into wide-legged forward bend. Press your feet down, lift your sit bones up to the ceiling, and keep gently pulling your hands away from the lower back, stretching the shoulders. Remember the breaths, deep full breaths in and out through the nose. Press yourself all the way up, release your hands. Turn your toes out, heels in. Cross your right arm over the left, find your eagle arm variation again. And then bend the knees for goddess pose. Make sure your knees and toes are pointing in the same direction, adjust your legs if you need to. And either stay here or add some circles. Circle your upper body to the left and to the right. Moving from the hips here, knees stay bent. 1 more round, or just stay in simple goddess pose variation. This is optional now, just to add extra heat, a bit more stretch. Return to starting position, straighten the legs. Change your arm position, now cross your left arm over the right. Eagle arms again on this side. Bend the knees, find your goddess squat, and again stay here or circle to the right, down, to the left and up. And then other direction. 1 more round like this. Keeping the knees deeply bent. Well done. Then straighten the legs, release your arms. Bring your feet closer together. And get ready for the final full eagle pose. Find a nice stable standing position. Then cross your right arm over the left, wrap your arms around. Shift weight into your right foot and cross your left leg over the right. Again, you have options here to keep the toes down or cross your ankle behind the shin. Find what works for your body now and hold here for a couple of breaths. Breathing in, breathing out. Slowly release. And switch to the other side, crossing your left arm over the right. Adjust your arms first, then shift your weight into the left foot and wrap your right leg over your left. Find what works on this side, either it's the same or slightly different. Squeeze your elbows together, squeeze your inner thighs together, Focus your gaze and breathe. Good. Release your position slowly. Stand with your feet hip distance apart. Take one more big inhale, sweep your arms out and up, look up. Exhale, bring your palms together to your heart. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you enjoyed this standing flow. Let me know in the comments if you did, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!